Welcome to our definitive visual tour of the Toyota Camry, a car that has earned its prestigious spot as one of the world's best-selling sedans, and as we begin, our opening shot establishes its commanding presence with a powerful front three-quarter view, where the pearl white exterior radiates under the professional showroom lighting, accentuating a fascia that is both elegantly modern and confidently bold, a theme that continues flawlessly along its profile in our next shot, where the side view reveals a gracefully sculpted silhouette, a long, flowing line that promises exceptional interior space and aerodynamic stability in equal measure. From this angle, we naturally transition to the rear three-quarter perspective, a vantage point that allows you to appreciate the careful sculpting of the rear haunches and the way the design lines converge towards the distinctive LED tail lights, which are showcased in their own dedicated, macro-level close-up, revealing the intricate internal patterning and advanced lighting technology that makes the Camry so recognizable day and night, a design philosophy mirrored at the front by the sophisticated headlight cluster, which we examine in a similarly detailed close-up, highlighting its precise optics and seamless integration into the car's sharp identity. The visual drama of the front end is anchored by the prominent grille, captured in a striking close-up that allows you to appreciate the fine details of its construction, the chrome accents, and the proud Toyota emblem at its center, all suggesting a level of quality and attention to detail that is confirmed as we drop our gaze slightly to the alloy wheels, where a dedicated shot focuses on the intricate design of the rims and the high-quality tires, a combination engineered for a quiet, comfortable, and secure ride. Now, we step inside this meticulously crafted cabin, first from a perspective that frames the entire driver's environment, where the elegantly curved dashboard, finished in soft touch materials and complemented by a sleek digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment screen, creates a cockpit that is both intuitively laid out and technologically advanced, a feeling that is reinforced in a closer examination of the center console, where the clean design of the gear selector, the tactile feedback of the control buttons, and the available storage solutions speak to a deeply user-focused design. This sense of being in control is perfectly embodied by the leather-wrapped steering wheel, which we see in a detailed close-up from the driver's point of view, a wheel that feels substantial and connected in your hands, while just beyond it, the form-fitting front seats, finished in sumptuous beige leather, are shown in a shot that highlights their sophisticated contours and generous bolstering, designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support on every journey. This commitment to passenger comfort is profoundly extended to the rear of the cabin, which we first explore with a wide-angle shot that dramatically emphasizes the vast legroom and the inviting, lounge-like atmosphere, an impression that is only strengthened in a subsequent, more detailed view of the rear seats themselves, where you can truly appreciate the quality of the soft touch materials, the precision of the stitching, and the thoughtful inclusion of amenities like rear air conditioning, vents and a fold-down center armrest with integrated cup holders, features that ensure every passenger travels in first-class comfort. But the Camry's excellence is not merely skin-deep, as our next series of shots powerfully demonstrates. First, we open the hood to reveal the engine bay, a picture of orderly, accessible, and robust engineering that promises reliable power and efficiency, before the car is elevated to offer a truly revealing view of its underbody, a panoramic look at the meticulously engineered chassis, the neatly rooted exhaust system, and the carefully applied protective coatings that contribute to its refined on-road manners and long-term durability. A closer, more technical shot of the front wheel well area further illustrates this point, giving you a clear look at the sophisticated suspension components and the robust brake system that work in unison to deliver the Camry's famously smooth and confident ride quality. The interior's harmonious design is further appreciated in a detailed study of the door panels, where the elegant integration of the beige leather, the wood grain accents, and all the necessary controls for windows and mirrors creates a seamless and luxurious environment, while practicality is confirmed in a clear, well-lit shot of the generously proportioned boot, a spacious and regularly shaped cargo area ready to accommodate luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. Finally, we conclude our tour by pulling back to a wide, establishing shot, viewing the Toyota Camry in its entirety, sitting resplendent in the bright, minimalist white showroom, a complete and compelling package that masterfully balances head-turning aesthetic appeal, a deeply luxurious and spacious interior, and proven, trustworthy mechanical engineering, a combination that not only justifies its immense popularity and strong sales performance but also solidifies its status as a benchmark in the global automotive landscape.